Good morning, welcome back to Faith, Family, and Farm Life. Today I'm going to be doing a cheese bacon quiche. If you don't know what a quiche is, it's kind of like scrambled eggs with bacon and cheese. Might as well be an omelet. But this is a lot easier. You don't have to scramble the eggs. You just put them all in a skillet and you stick it in the oven for a few minutes. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So the ingredients you're going to need, of course, eggs. I'm using real bacon bits from Walmart, this is the cheapest brand, and they're still just as good. And some Colby Jack cheese, almost dropped. And then I'm going to make some crescent rolls on the side. So, all right, let's get into this. So you're going to get a bowl, and on this morning I'm doing a 6-egg quiche, which is using 6 eggs, of course, it's in the name. And I'm just going to crack them into this bowl. And then I'm going to scramble or whisk them with a fork because I don't want to whisk. I'm going to whisk them like I'm going to make scrambled eggs. And of course, anybody knows how to make scrambled eggs. At least I hope you do. If not, it's okay. I'll teach you. Just let me know in the comments if you need to know how. So I'm going to put salt and pepper in here before I scramble them together or whisk them together. Excuse my background noise, I apologize for that, but I'm watching a baby right now while I'm doing this voiceover again. So I'm just gonna whisk these eggs with a fork, and I've added salt and pepper to it, just like you would do if you were making scrambled eggs. And it only takes a few minutes for this to get mixed up really well. And now I'm going to add my bacon bits. And I'm going to continue to whisk those together so that the bacon bits get really mixed in good. Before I whisk them really good, I'm going to add some garlic pepper and some parsley. Yep, there's the garlic pepper. And I'm generous with my spices, so I really like a lot of spices. And that's my parsley flakes. And now I'm just going to whisk it all up. So I just have a pan here that's got some spray oil in it. And then you're just going to pour your mixture right into your skillet. And I'm going to add the cheese on top. That way it doesn't get lost in the eggs. But it turns out so good, y'all. And it comes out of this pan really easily. It kind of comes out like a piece of pie. And now I'm going to put some more parsley flakes on top just for the color, because I like it to look good. Let me know if y'all do this, if you just put something on top like a garnish that makes it look pretty. And excuse my background noise again. So we're just going to pop this into the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. You can check it and make sure that it's completely done. And then I'm going to just spray this pan with some of the butter flavor spray. And I'm going to put my crescent rolls in here. Now, some of the quiche recipes, you can put the crescent rolls down first and then do your egg on top. I don't do that because it takes longer. But that's just my personal opinion. You can try it the other way with the crescent rolls down or the biscuits down and then do your quiche on top. But I'm just not a big fan of that. I don't like soggy crust. So I'm just doing mine this way. It's a lot quicker. And y'all know I'm about being quick. I don't have time to just wait. And then I'm just going to pop them into the oven with the quiche. Okay, y'all. There is our quiche. It looks so good. And it's gonna be delicious. And these are the crescent rolls. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, like, share, comment, subscribe. See you later.